On the history of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence (AI) chatbot developed by OpenAI, an AI research organization based in San Francisco, California. The name ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which reflects how it works. It generates human-like text responses using deep learning models called transformers. 1. Origins of OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in December 2015 by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Ilya Sutskever, John Schulman, and Wojciech Zaremba. The organization's mission was to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, benefits all of humanity. OpenAI started as a nonprofit research company dedicated to developing safe and useful AI technologies. 2. The GPT model family. The GPT models are language models created by OpenAI that can understand and generate text. Each version is trained on vast amounts of data from the internet, including books, articles, and websites, to learn how human language works. GPT-1, 2018. The first version, GPT-1, was released in 2018. It introduced the concept of a transformer-based language model trained with unsupervised learning. While powerful for its time, GPT-1 was relatively small, 117 million parameters, and mainly used for research. GPT-2, 2019. In 2019, OpenAI released GPT-2, which had 1.5 billion parameters, over 10 times larger than GPT-1. GPT-2 could write surprisingly coherent essays, stories, and even code. However, OpenAI initially decided not to release the full model because of concerns about misinformation and misuse. The GPT-3, 2020. GPT-3, launched in June 2020, was a massive leap forward. With 175 billion parameters, it was one of the largest and most powerful language models ever built. GPT-3 could perform tasks like translation, writing, programming, and conversation, all without additional training. This version became the foundation for the first public release of ChatGPT. 3. The birth of ChatGPT. OpenAI released ChatGPT as a conversational AI product based on GPT-3 in November 2022. It quickly became a global sensation, attracting over 1 million users within 5 days of launch. Unlike earlier GPT versions, ChatGPT was fine-tuned using a method called reinforcement learning from human feedback, RLHF. This means humans help train it to give more helpful, polite, and safe responses. 4. GPT-4 and beyond. In March 2023, OpenAI introduced GPT-4, a more advanced and reliable model capable of understanding complex instructions, reasoning better, and supporting multiple languages, images, and longer conversations. ChatGPT integrated GPT-4 for premium users, ChatGPT Plus. Later, updates brought multimodal capabilities. ChatGPT could see images, interpret data, browse the web, and even generate images. These improvements made ChatGPT not just a chatbot, but a versatile AI assistant. 5. ChatGPT in everyday life. Today, ChatGPT is used by millions of people for writing and editing content, learning and education, programming assistance, translation, business support, creativity, stories, songs, design ideas, and personal productivity. It is also integrated into tools like Microsoft Word, Excel, and Edge through OpenAI's partnership with Microsoft. 6. Ethical challenges. While ChatGPT is powerful, it also raised questions about AI ethics, misinformation, privacy, and job automation. OpenAI and other organizations continue to research ways to make AI safe, transparent, and fair for everyone. 7. The future of ChatGPT. ChatGPT continues to evolve, with newer models like GPT-4, Turbo, 2024, and GPT-5 expected to be even smarter, faster, and more human-like. The ultimate goal is to create artificial general intelligence, AGI, a system that can understand and perform any intellectual task that humans can do, while keeping it safe and beneficial. Summary. In short, ChatGPT's journey began with a dream to make AI that could understand and communicate like humans. From GPT-1 to GPT-5, it has become one of the most transformative technologies in the world, changing how we learn, work, and interact with information. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe and like this video. Stay safe.